This is the MK270 keyboard and mouse combo that I purchased to go along with my mini PC. This is a full-size keyboard and mouse that connects to your PC via Bluetooth, which means you don't need to mess with any wiring. Opening up, there are three items enclosed: the keyboard itself, the mouse, and a USB adapter. Let's go ahead and check the mouse to see if it already has a battery inside it. And there it is, a AA battery already inserted, so that means we can start using the mouse right away. This is a power switch that you can slide left to power off and right to power on the mouse. And now let's take a quick look at the keyboard. And as I mentioned earlier, this is a full-size keyboard. It doesn't come with a wrist pad, but I'm not too picky about that. Along the right-hand side, you have your number keypad. And along the top, you have all your function keys. And actually, right above that, there are some media keys to fast forward video clips, a couple of keys to control the volume of your audio, and a few other shortcut keys. Along the bottom, you have your shift and control keys. And to the left of the number keypad, you have your navigation keys. Then towards the top right corner, to the left of the Logitech logo, you have a switch that you can slide left and right to power off and on your keyboard. And then flipping the keyboard over, if you ever have to replace the battery inside your keyboard, you can do so here by removing the battery cover. This keyboard actually already comes with two AAA batteries inserted, and we'll just go ahead and clip that battery cover back on. This keyboard also comes with two legs that you can flip out if you want a bit of height or slant for your keyboard. Otherwise, it will sit flat on your table surface. So let's go ahead and test this keyboard out. I'll just remove the tab from the battery chamber, and we'll do the same for our mouse. Okay, so I already inserted the adapter into a spare USB port on my computer, and it's pretty much plug and play. No need to install anything. The typing is actually very smooth. The keys are the perfect size for an average-sized hand, not too squishy and not too spaced out. It's quite comfortable, and what I particularly appreciated about this keyboard is that the keys don't stick like some other keyboards. And the mouse is also comfortable to use. It's actually designed very well with a slight curve where you would normally place your thumb. So I have been using this Logitech MK270 wireless keyboard and mouse daily for about a month, and overall I'm very happy with it. Here's a bit of audio so you can hear what the keys sound like.